Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Vision: a dynamic, competitive, and globally responsive state university. Mission: the university shall provide excellent instruction, relevant and responsive research and extension services, and quality assured production through competent and highly motivated human capital. Goals: Negros Oriental State University strives to advance NORSO. N. National development through effective partnership. O. Opportunity and access to poor but deserving students. R. Research and teaching functions. S. Scholarship and innovations. U. Unity in diversity of culture. Corporate values. Corporate values represent what we believe in giving character to our university operations. These are Sapphire. S. Spirituality. A. Accountability. P. Professionalism. P. Patriotism. H. Harmony. I. Integrity. R. Respect. E. Excellence. Quality policy. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commit itself to provide quality instruction, research, extension services, and production as well as to comply with applicable regulatory requirements and continual improvements of its management system. Kabilin. K. Kinship of mind and heart for development. A. Accountability, adaptability and accountability in the profession. B. Benchmarking with global standards and practices. I. Industry and hard work for development. For productivity. I. Industry and hard work for productivity. L. Leadership in societal transformation. I. Interdependence with various stakeholders. N. Nurturing desire for harmony of man and nature. Criminology, education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control and in meeting the demands for global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program commits itself to provide the community with professionally competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective services in the field of criminology. Objectives. In pursuance to the above stated mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequences courses of study, which are well planned. These courses of study utilize didactic instruction, discussion, demonstration, laboratory practice, simulation, individual learnings, and on-the-job trainings. The following are the specific objectives of that department. 1. It seeks to provide vast opportunities in instruction and guided experience whereby the students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essential to the practice of criminology. 2. It provides the students with a broad cultural background and an understanding and and an and and an understandings constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law, insofar as they affect the total demonstration of justice. 3. It, it fosters higher concepts of citizenry, accountability, and leadership, and an understandings of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow men, his community, and his country. 4. It inspires It inspires and instills in the students the value of service to humanity. It encourages research and inquiry in the fields of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is graduate with a degree of criminology who has passed the examination for criminologists and registered as such by the Board of examinations of the Professional Regulation Commissions pursuant to RA 6506 and Section 23 define the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology if he holds himself out of the public in any of the capacities as a professor, instructor, and a teacher as a professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any university, college, or school duly recognized by the government. Pursuant also to RA 6506 Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance or qualifying government examinations and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following position: A. Fingerprint technician. B. Firearms examiner. C. A. Fingerprint technician. B. Firearms examiner. C. Question document examiner. D. Correctional officer. E. Probation officer. F. Crime laboratory technician. J. Law enforcement photographer. H. Lie detection examiner. I. Agent in any law enforcement agency. J. Security officer. K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution number 98/30/22, criminologist eligibility would apply for appointment from the PNCO rank of PO1 up to Police Commissioned Officer PCO with the rank of Police Superintendent. Republic Act 6975, Section 33 provides that licensed criminologists may be appointed to the initial rank of police inspector if there are vacancies. 11. General Order 1. To take charge of, dispose on all companies, property in view, and preserve the name with utmost diligence. To walk during tour of duty in military manners, keeping always in the alert, and observe everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report all violations of orders I am instructed to enforce. 4. To report all calls from post more distance from the guardhouse where I am stationed. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, and pass out and to receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving to receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving guard all order from company officers, superiors, post in charge, or shift leaders. 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. 9. To call the superior officer in any case not covered by instructions. 10. To salute all company officials, superiors in the agency, ranking public officials, and the commission, ranking public officials, and commission under of the AFP and officers of the PNP. 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging, to challenge all persons on or near my post, and to allow no one to pass without no one to pass or loiter without proper authority and to eat my meal before rendering my duty. So, the Law Enforcement Code of Ethics. Being entrusted with the duties of law enforcement, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and properties, to protect the innocent against the deception, the peaceful against the violence or disorders, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men and liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all. Maintain courageous calm, and face of danger. Scorn of ridicule. Develop self-restraint and be constantly mindful in the welfare of others. Honest in thought or dead in both my personal and official life. I will be exemplary obeying the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. Whatever I see or I hear of a